Okay, well that's I've just framed out that niche. Tomorrow when I sheet this wall, I'll sheet that, then I can waterproof it. This is a non-load bearing wall, so I'm able to cut that stud. I don't have to have a large header in it. It's not supporting any roof, it's non-bearing, so we're home and hose. I brought it over a bit because the screen's going up there off that off that metal. So here, see down there? So the screen will be going up there, and I wanted to make it as big as I could. So that's the size of it. It's going to be brilliant. Plumber's coming in the morning to fit a new valve. He'll do that before I get here, and one over there, and we're laughing. See ya.